Hello everyone. Today I had planned on doing a video on getting our bikes ready for spring and going on a little bike ride and seeing if Freya liked it, and it was gonna be so fun. And then we had a storm blow in from California. And it hasn't started snowing yet. It's supposed to, but let me just show you. Do you guys see the wind? Our trampoline, the top net is completely bent from the wind. There was a hotel sign that got blown over not far from us. So yeah, we're not going outside. I went outside for about 2 seconds to feed the chickens and not great. Our poor chicken house. All the plastic is flying off. I don't even know if you can hear me. All the chickens were in, but I'm coming to feed them. You took the trash out?
Yeah.
Good girl. Fiona.
It was like in the morning, and it wasn't this windy.
No, yeah, it's gotten worse. And it's supposed to start raining and snowing. So instead, I thought I'd show you guys our little plant setup here. These are peppers. We've got poblano, cayenne, banana, bell, and jalapeno back in there somewhere. I started them about 2 weeks ago, and this is how big they are. Look how cute. Come down and just do this once a day. Do you want to plant some herbs? What do you think? Freya's kind of in a grumpy mood today. I'm hoping she's grumpy because she's getting a tooth. We shall see though, huh? Do you want to look? Look, you take the seeds. You shake them, shake them. Listen. Is that basil? You gonna grow up and be my gardener friend like Liam is? You gonna be my gardener friend like your big brother? You see the basil plant? Yeah. We got sage, oregano, cilantro. Oh no, this is oregano. This must be basil. Dill, and that's another basil. We don't need that one. So we have 5. We can do 2 of each, plus an extra 4 of something we really love. So you got to decide on that. What do you really love?
I don't know.
Sage goes in turkeys. Cilantro goes in salsa. Oregano goes in everything. Basil goes in everything. Dill goes in pickles. So, is it the dill?
I'll just have whatever goes in everything.
Okay. Go ahead, show us how it's done. It goes in ranch too. Just scrape some back. Don't put a hole. Just scrape some back. Put them in and then scrape it on top. Because herbs, like with the peppers, we need to do holes, but herbs are a little less. You don't want them as deep. Liam's always been my garden buddy, huh? Mm-hmm. I have pictures of him when he was like 2 years old pulling up carrots. Do you remember in our Laverkin house pulling up carrots?
No.
And anytime it was a big one, you're like, oh, that one's for Daddy. Because it was the biggest one. Liam's had the flu this whole week and has really been struggling with that cough, huh? Oh, that's a Daddy carrot.
How many do I add?
Like a good few. 4, 5, whatever. I'll put some dill. All right, let's see if Freya will go up the stairs. The only issue is does have toys in her hands, so I don't know if she'll do that. Come here, can I see this? Maybe if we use them as motivation. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see this one too. Look, they're up there. Oh yeah. Say, I can do this. Let's go up a couple more stairs. There you go. They're up there. They're up there. Keep going. Someone asked me if she could still go up the stairs the other day, and I was like, I assume so. I don't know, because we don't spend a lot of time downstairs. And especially Freya, we have that gate up there that keeps her from coming down here. So keep going. Put them up a couple more stairs. Yeah. Oh, what a mean brother. Go get him. She's coming. She's coming. Good job. Oh, our power's going in and out because of the storm outside. I'm ready for this wind to be done. I'm like so anxious that something's gonna... No. Something's gonna fly into our house. You can't just go backwards. There we go. Keep going. You're good. Keep going. Yeah, you're good. There we go. Keep going. Keep going. If you get those toys, then we can be done. Keep going. Keep going. This one. Did have a couple people ask about the chickies too. They're doing good, getting their big kid feathers. I think this week, it's supposed to be really cold the next couple days, and after that, they're gonna move out to the garage. They have that orange thing back there as a heat plate, so even if I moved them to the garage now, they probably would be just fine, but I think we're gonna move them out. Once they get their big kid feathers, they can stay a little warmer. And they also are just a little more problematic. We might have to build a bigger box too. You guys are getting like big kids, huh? Thank you.
Can I get grass?
I just noticed our mat from our... Oh, you found it? The mat, our front door mat was gone, and Chris had to go look for it for me. Thank you. Because I was feeding the baby.
Just in case he does, this shampoo will hurt him.
Yeah.
Also use this shampoo for Ace because Ace recently had a bacterial and fungal infection. Okay, buddy, okay.
Okay, so the hair. It's still pretty long. It goes down probably just past her shoulder blades. Oh, jeez. You going to see Dad? Like I said, we needed to cut off the ends just because it was getting tangly and harder to brush through. And with Freya, I don't want her to associate hair brushing with paint. And I still need it long enough that I can put it up because she does have some hair pulling tendencies. It's kind of a behavioral issue. She does it when she's really upset. And she also does it to get a rise out of us. She'll do it and then laugh. Or when she's really upset, she'll start pulling at her hair just to kind of show that she's really upset. So I need it to be up. That's why you see it up most of the time, is so she doesn't pull at it. So I need to be able to have it long enough to be put in braids or ponytails or pigtails or something. Are you showing a toy? Where did you get that toy from? Did you steal it from Jesse's room? Did you steal it from Jesse's room when we were downstairs? Yes, you did. So I'm pretty happy with the length that it is, and I'm still able to do like the French braids and things. You gonna take a nap? Yeah. Our neighbor's chicken coop just almost blew over our fence. So we went out to help, what's the word? Like, we put posts in and tied it up because it was flying. So we left Freya with the girls.
Yeah. And yellow.
What are you guys doing?
Choking on popcorn.
Choking on popcorn, playing iPads.
I look rainbow in the here.
You do look rainbow in there.
Rainbow. Everything is rainbow.
I love it. Thanks for watching Freya for us.
Welcome. I say I have a wiggly tooth.
Is it gonna come out today?
Probably.
I hope so. Oh my gosh, my makeup is still everywhere from being outside in the wind. Well, I hope that was the last eventful thing. It was our next door neighbors and their chicken, like the run, the part where the chickens are out and scratching around, just took flight, and it was held on by, like, they had an electric cord run to keep the coop warm, and it was being held on by that extension cord. So hopefully that's it. This is honestly my biggest complaint about where we live, is when a storm blows in, it's like this for like a day before the storm actually gets here, and I hate the wind. I hate it so much. And we've had our trampoline go flying. We've had other people's stuff end up in our yard. It's just like the way it is around here. So we got it staked down. We went ahead and staked our chicken run down as well. It was kind of staked down, but we put more in after we saw that. And our trampoline is staked down, so hopefully that's it. And I'm going to edit this real quick so I can get it up to you guys today. And I hope we'll see you next time. I don't know if we have anything exciting coming up next week, but the week after that is our CDLS clinic in Salt Lake. I'm so excited to go and show you guys that. But I'll find something for you guys this next week.